Today is the 17th of November 2021. What was the address again?
Lehmihaka 2.
Lehmihaka 2 sticky see here in Havukoski in Koivukylän Björkesby, Itä-Vantaa, Östra Vantaa, Eastern Vantaa in the Helsinki. It's a close region of Finland, built by ValmetSchlieren in 1976. Only 45 years old this year, in 2021. The serial number is VS4361. Capacity is 4 persons, 325 grams, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. There are still a few more left to be checked here later on in the winter time, and together with you calculate 6 in the beginning of next year.
Yeah.
But we'll do it when we have time.
Yeah.
There's 7 floors. And most of them that are still left are MP in 8, but also a few ValmetSchlieren on the way to still.
Yeah.
And 4 added ones and 1 building from the 1990s.
Yeah.
And then maybe on that side there was also something.
Yeah.
So we will do it then.
Expected by my maybe by Con.
And of course those deltas I will also take in the winter.
Yeah.
Actually from here we could try to make some sort of list of these, but I can at least write them down what type of buildings elevations we've seen, like what's still left.
Yeah.
The addresses can be checked later.
Yeah.
Or like what areas here that is still left.
Yeah.
Because if we don't have the time to check the addresses, then we can at least do that.
Yeah.
And then the addresses will be revealed later.
Hmm.
Now that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the stickers T here. Onks muuten niin, että täällä on vain CCD siis?
That's the